thought I'd give you guys a little up close and personal view of the Dirty Bird. So it started out as a 2.8 V6 car that I got for a couple $100 because the motor was seized up. And then I bought this 350. It was just a bone stock 350. I put Vortec heads, it's been tweaked, bigger runners and valves and stuff. Put a 292 ISKI cam in it. It's got a Victor Jr. intake. 750 Summit carb. Headers, 2.5-inch dual exhaust. You know, kind of just basic high performance little small block. 10-to-1 compression. It's probably like 400 horse or something. But I got that thing plugged in there now. It's backed by a turbo 350. And that sits under there. I got a cross member where under there for the third link or anti-wrap bar can hook to it to keep it from axle wrapping. It's just got glass packs. Interior's nothing special. Got a B&M ratchet shifter. The little gauge thing I made. Got a toggle switch for the radiator fan right now. It's working out okay. But nothing special. It was taking chunks out of these tires because they're slightly too tall. So just the other day I put these coil spacers in, add an inch. They're really straightforward to install. Just had to unhook the shocks, and this, not sure what the technical name of this bar is called, but it hooks down here to the rear end and up to the car to keep it from going side to side. And just got the car on jack stands and lowered it down to where I could get the springs out, and then just threw those in. Now it doesn't hit anymore. And fire it up for you so you guys can hear it. Holds good oil pressure and everything. Well, that's the car. Nothing special. Can't wait to run it at Woodburn.